All right, all you freedom-loving boys and girls, Mark Centerline Systems. We're out here at the range. I want to talk about a little bit of range safety, and I want to specifically talk about the medical deployment kit that we make for Black Scout Survival. So we made this, Jack and I worked together on this years ago. It's only available over on his website. I am going to actually get it up on mine. You won't be able to buy it from me, but you can get it from Jack. But what I really love about this med kit is, again, Jack's got a lot of real world experiences. I got a lot of real world experiences. And look at us, but we combine that to make this med kit, right? And here's what we really like about it. So it can be worn a couple different ways, mounted onto the outside of a gear, on your waistline, because of the molly on the back, but you got a spot for shears on the outside, and you got a spot for your TQ. But what we really did is when we made this, we wanted to make sure everything was gross motor skills. So when you open this guy up, right, so it doesn't matter, in the dark, wearing gloves, under duress, it's easy to get into, and then once it opens up, that's what you see right there. It's an oversized tab. We call it the deployment tab. So you grab this tab and you pull on it, and you can already see how it's starting to pull all the material out of the med kit. So it'll be on the ground next to me, or it's easy to access. Again, gross motor skills. You want to be able to get at your medical equipment, under duress. And then when you put it back in, you can see it just pulls it right back down, tucks that in there, and the deployment tab is ready for the next use. So it doesn't matter if you're on the range doing a little pew, pew, pew like we are. So this is actually set up for a GSW, a gunshot wound, because we're safe. We're not like, that guy who, shot somebody on the set of a movie and didn't know what the hell he was doing, right? Range safety, always important, but you still got to have a medical kit. Whether you're fishing, camping, doing a little pew, 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 have a good medical kit. Again, really proud of this kit that we put together with Black Scout Survival. Jack over there did this a couple years ago. I think you're going to really like it. And, again, no matter what you're doing, you got to have a medical kit. So we'll have this up on the website. It'll be like a hyperlink over to Black Scout Survival, and you can get it from Jack over there. And because you're probably going to want to get some of the other things that would go with it, the accoutrements, right? So there it is. Big gross motor skills. Grab it. You can see. I don't want to pull everything out, right? And then there it is. And you can easily get at whatever your items are and then push them back in there. Push them back in there, reset it. That tab goes right there. So when it opens up, that tab is easily accessible, right? So there it is. Awesome med kit. A couple other people are trying to copy it, but we've been making this for a long time. It's a great med kit. You really need one. So on that note, you know the deal. Reach out anytime. If you got questions, comments, I'll do the best I can to help you out. Until then, keep thinking, keep moving, never quit. All right, everybody be good.